One evening after work, we installed our new Aluminess Ladder. This is no way endorsed by Aluminess. This is just how we did it. Take at your own risk. So, we clamped the brackets on, and now we're getting ready to drill a hole in the van. Another one. So we're bolting the first bracket on. One more check fit before drilling the hole for the back bracket. Bracket number 2 bolted in place. Clean the adventure mud off the bottom. That is an important step. Then you clamp the lower bracket in place, and then you test fit it again.
Yeah, and then again.
Double check the positioning of the lower bracket with the ladder in place. Getting kind of hard to see, but
Can I have one of the bolts?
Drilling the holes for the bottom bracket. Don't forget to put the anti-seize on the bolts. And then you bolt the bracket to the van. End wrenches with a ratchet are way handy for this. Highly recommend. Drill the hole for bolt number 2 in the bottom. Oh man, somebody said a naughty word on camera. This film was not made for children. But then you put the second bolt on the bottom bracket. That is all. And then you install the third bolt through the van and the bracket, which is kind of a pain because the muffler is in the way. Details, details. It's the unwrapping. It's a very, very stretchy, sticky stuff that keeps the ladder from getting damaged when it gets delivered. It's getting dark out here. There's the Aluminess passenger rear mount ladder. That's $540 worth of ladder, ladies and gentlemen. And doesn't even really have the stickers, so that's good.
We're gonna have to get some grip tape to put on there.
So you don't fall on your face when it's wet?
Yep. That's gonna be a slippery sucker.
So now we're gonna put the last of the bolts. Anti-seize for the stainless hardware. It's always fun to do van mods after work in the dark by the light of the iPhone flashlight.
I didn't know you could do it anyway.
Well, you know, gotta do when you have time.
And 57.5 still.
Okay, so we have now measured the distance of the ladder
733 times.
to the back of the door about 7,000 times because nobody wants a crooked ladder. And the back does not tell you if it's straight because the entire back of the van is curved. The ceremonial testing of the new ladder. I hope it doesn't break. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here I go. Oh, man, that's really solid. That's cool. There's not a lot of foot space, but I can see the top of the van from up here. We did it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and always take the fun road.